Hello, learners. Welcome to the channel Be a Learner. Today we are going to study minerals and energy resources. What are minerals? The minerals are few materials which we get from mines, which are natural resources which nature makes for us, and few energy resources. Energy is needed for living. Now let us study in deep about minerals and energy resources. Minerals are an indispensable. Minerals are an indispensable part of our lives. Almost everything we use, whether it be a tiny pin or towering building, all are made from minerals. The railway lines, the roads, the implements, the machineries, this all are made from minerals. Cars, buses, trains, aeroplanes, power resources, this all are derived from the earth. Even the food that we eat, each and every food contains some or the other minerals. All living things need minerals in some or the different percentage. Now let us study in detail what is a mineral. Mineral is defined as a homogeneous naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. What is mineral? Mineral is a homogeneous naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. It is available in the nature in the different form. Some are available in vegetables, some are available in fruits, and some are available directly. Now why they are different? Let us study in detail why minerals are different. Rocks. You must be knowing how rocks are formed. So rocks are nothing but the combinations of homogeneous substance, that is mineral. Some rocks consist of limestone, some are single mineral, and some has more than two minerals at a time. Although 2000 minerals have been identified till date, a particular mineral that will be formed from a certain combination of elements depend on either physical or chemical conditions. Can you see the chart below? The one in yellow color? Let us study that. Minerals are in three forms: metallic, non-metallic, and energy minerals. Ferrous iron ore, manganese, nickel, this all are the forms of metallic minerals. Mica, salt, potash, sulfur, granite, this all are the forms of non-metallic minerals. Coal, petroleum, natural gas are energy minerals. Geographers say that minerals are the part of the earth's crust. A geologist, however, is interested in the formation of minerals. Minerals generally occur in different forms. The smaller occurrence are called as veins. The larger are called as lodes. Minerals are in two forms. The smaller one are veins. The larger one are lodes. Next, in sedimentary rocks, there are beds or the layers of minerals. In that deposition, we find coal or few different types of gypsum, potash salt, and other minerals like sodium salt. These are found on the beds of the mines, or it can be layers of the mines. Let us study more about the classification of minerals. Certain minerals occur as alluvial deposits in the valley floors. I hope everyone knows what is valley. So these deposits are known as placer deposits, and generally it contains mineral which are not corroded by water For example, gold, silver, tin, platinum are such minerals which are found in alluvial deposits. Now let us study about the ferrous minerals. In first one, the type of ferrous minerals are iron ore. It is a basic mineral and it is the backbone of the industrial development. Almost 70% of the iron is at very high content, especially very valuable in electrical energy, in electrical industry. The second part is manganese. Manganese is mainly used in manufacturing of steel. Nearly 10 kg of manganese is required to manufacture 1 ton of the steel. So manganese is second most important mineral. It is also used in manufacturing bleaching powder, insecticides and paints. Now let us study about some non-ferrous minerals. What are non-ferrous minerals which are not that satisfactory? This includes copper, bauxite, lead and zinc. Now from this, gold plays a very important role because gold is in a great demand. It has been loved by everyone. People purchase gold. The third part is copper. India is critically deficient in reserve of production of copper. Being malleable, ductile, and a good conductor, copper is mainly used in electrical cables, electronics, and chemical industries. The huge demand of copper is mostly in electricity companies and electrical cables, mostly in electronics, you can say. The Balghat mines in Madhya Pradesh, Khetri mines in Rajasthan, and Jharkhand are leading producers of copper. The fourth one is the bauxite. We had studied about the three. Now the fourth one is bauxite. Several ores contain aluminium. It is from bauxite, a clay-like substance. There are few rocks which are very rich in aluminium silicate. Aluminium is an important metal because it combines the strength of metals such as iron with extreme lightness, and it is a good conductivity and great malleability. India has lot of deposits of bauxite. Mainly it is found in Amarkanthak Plateau, Michael Hills and plateau region of Bilsapur, Katni. Once upon a time, Odisha was the largest bauxite producing state in India in 2009 and 2010. It was the most important bauxite deposits in that state. Let us study about some more minerals. The next mineral is limestone. Limestone is found in the associates with the rocks composed of calcium carbonates and magnesium carbonates. It is found from sedimentary rocks. Where is limestone found? In sedimentary rocks. Limestone is like a raw material. It is mostly used in cement industry and it is essential for smelting iron in the blast furnace. Next, we are going to study about the non-metallic minerals. The first non-metallic minerals is mica. It is a mineral made up of series of plates or leaves. It is available in thin sheets. The sheets are very thin. Due to its excellent dielectric strength, the low power or low cost factor, its properties and resistance is to high voltage. Conservation of minerals. Minerals are available in the mines, which are a gift from nature to us, and so we should conserve the minerals. We are strongly dependent on the minerals in our day to day life. The companies, the industries, the growth, everything is dependent on minerals. And so we have to conserve the minerals. Mineral resources are therefore finite and non renewable. Rich mineral deposits are of countries extremely valuable. Continued extraction of ores leads to increasing cost, as mineral extraction comes from the greater depth along with a decrease in quality. And so it is very very important to conserve the minerals. Now let us study about the energy resources. What is energy? We need energy. Even the 9 planets which are there in the air, in the space, in the universe, with the help of some or the other energy, they are rotating. No one is holding them, no one is supporting them. Still, the planets are rotating. They don't collide to each other, they never change their way, they keep on rotating to the sun. How? Because of energy. How we are alive, how we breathe air, how we breathe exactly oxygen from the air. There are so many gases in the air. It is nothing but the energy which is there inside us. How do we work? How do we study? With the help of energy. Energy is required for all the activities. It can be generated from fuel, minerals, etc. Now, how do we need energy? In the same way, all other things present in the nature also need energy. So, energy resources are classified in two: conventional source of energy and non conventional source of energy. Let us study about the conventional source of energy. Conventional source of energy like firewood, cattle dung cake, coal, petroleum, natural gas, and electricity. We should conserve them or else they will finish one day. Non conventional source of energy like sun rays, which are available at free of cost from our nature, which are never going to end. And so it is known as non conventional source of energy. Let us study in detail about the conventional source of energy. The first one is coal. Coal is most abundantly available fossil fuel. It provides energy in different needs. Earlier, few decades ago, people used to do ironing with the help of coal. They used to put coal in the iron and they used to iron the clothes. Even the train engines used to run on coal. After some time, when electricity came, the use of coal was stopped and people started using electronic gadgets. There are three types of coal: lignite, which is available in brown coal, bituminous coal, which is buried deep inside the land, and the last one is anthracite coal, which is a very hard coal. Next comes the petroleum. Petroleum or mineral oil. Again, it is a major energy resource in our country. For what purpose do we use petroleum? It is used as a fuel. It is also used for heat and lighting. It is also used for lubricants, as a lubricant for machinery and raw materials. Most of the petroleum occurrence in India are associated with anticlines and fault traps. About 63% of India's petroleum production is from Mumbai High. I hope everyone knows Mumbai High. 18% from Gujarat and 16% from Assam. Next, let us study about the natural gas. Natural gas is an important clean energy resource. It is used as a source of energy as well as in industrial raw material in petrochemical industry. Natural gas is very environment friendly and that's why people prefer it more. The last one is electricity. No need of explanation for electricity, right? Our full life is dependent on electricity. TV, fridge, mobile, other gadgets, everything, for each and everything, computer, laptop, we need electricity. Even for doing some exercise also we need electricity. The gadgets, the gym gadgets, which are working on electricity, for that purpose we need electricity to charge them, to use them, washing machine, lights. Nothing is possible without electricity, so we need to conserve them, because one day this electricity may finish from our earth. Electricity is not available at free of cost from nature. We have to make it. Electricity is made from three things. One is it is made from air, water, and it is available in the original form. That is thermal electricity, which is generated by using coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Now let us study about the non-conventional source of energy. What are non-conventional source of energy? Nuclear or atomic energy. It is obtained at the structure of atoms, uranium and thorium, which are available in Jharkhand and Arvali ranges of Rajasthan. It is mostly used to make bombs, nuclear bombs, you can say. Solar energy. Solar energy is available at free of cost from the nature. Many people or many villages they use solar energy in the form of solar water heater, solar cooker, and in different forms. Even they make electricity also from solar energy. Different gadgets are available. We need to store solar energy, and then the machines automatically convert it into electricity or heat energy, whatever is needed. Next is wind power. What is wind power? Can you see the windmills? The windmills, with the help of the windmills, from the wind, electricity is generated. And these projects are located in different parts of the states in our country. Next is tidal energy. The waves in the sea, even electricity is generated from that. When the waves are very high, they reproduce the current, and from that, tidal energy is reproduced. The last one is geothermal energy. It refers to the heat and electricity produced by using the heat, which is available in the interior of the earth. There are several hundred hot springs in India, which could be used to generate electricity. One is located in Parvati Valley near the Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh, and the other one is located in Puga Valley in Ladakh. So, these were all the forms of energy. We need to conserve it because energy is a basic requirement for us as well as for economic development. And every sector is dependent directly or indirectly on the energy. India is presently one of the least energy efficient countries in the world. And so, energy saved is energy produced. This was all about the chapter. I hope you have understood. Thank you.